Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the platform, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're diving into Invest Voyager, accessible via the web at https://www.investvoyager.com. Invest Voyager presents itself as a platform for engaging with various investment opportunities. It's important to conduct thorough research and understand the potential risks before committing any funds. Remember, investing always carries inherent risks, and it's crucial to make informed decisions based on your individual financial situation and risk tolerance. This overview is simply a starting point for your own exploration. Navigating the Invest Voyager website, you'll likely find information regarding their offered services, potentially including access to different asset classes. It's essential to carefully examine any fees associated with using their platform, as these can significantly impact your overall returns. Look for details on account minimums, commission structures, and any other expenses you might incur. Transparency in fee disclosure is a critical factor to consider when evaluating any investment platform. Beyond the specifics of their offerings, research Invest Voyager's background and regulatory compliance. Understanding the company's history and the regulatory environment they operate within can provide valuable insights into their trustworthiness and stability. Seek out independent reviews and user testimonials to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the platform's strengths and weaknesses. Remember, diverse perspectives are essential for informed decision-making. Finally, consider how Invest Voyager's platform aligns with your specific investment goals and preferences. Are you looking for long-term growth, short-term gains, or a combination of both? Does their platform offer the tools and resources you need to manage your investments effectively? These are crucial questions to consider before making any commitments. Investing is a personal journey, and finding a platform that fits your individual needs is paramount. Be sure to explore all available options and choose the platform that best suits your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Remember, this review only scratches the surface, and further research is essential.